Golden Knights were under, to go 1 goal the rest of the way, or 1 goal against the rest of the way was really phenomenal.
Did it not feel a little bit too big, kind of like game 2 in the sense of, you know, the waged a really good battle with the Avs, had a lot of good chances, couldn't convert, and then Colorado gets a so-so penalty call. Two games, if they got back on the offensive and really made life miserable in a lot of ways for the visitors, but at the end the visitors found a way.
Beck Nazar, Craig McEwen here on Canuck Central. We'll talk more about the playoffs coming up with Dixon Award at 2 o'clock. But you know, it's been funny the last 10 days when it comes to Canuck stuff, because it's been remarkably quiet the last, since basically